welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are at the bowling alley. Now, now, we to pull up to the bowling alley. It has been a while since I bowled, but I'm about to show y'all how I get down and bowl. And I told Kayshawn that I would be him in bowling. But take it to the camera.
He said he was gonna beat me in bowling, but I don't think so.
But, so when we get ready to bowl, I will hit y'all back up. So, we are back, and we are trying to put on lane. We are on lane in 40, so we're trying to find that. I know it's loud in here. Sorry about that, but yeah.
So we got Nation. Grant. Let it go. Yeah.
On my football, I hit 7, and then I'm not down 1. So, this is. Oh, you only need 1. You only need 1 bar. You only need 1. Ah! That one in that. Alright, LaShawn. You are up. Oh my God! But what?
the town?
Yeah. I am about to win this game. Go! Let's go!
Nathan scored a strike on his last play. You got another play, so he definitely won this one.
I just